I'm Stephanie Essen, and this is IDZ Weekly. In this episode, we introduce you to a workshop for teachers developed by Intel intern Fernando Molina and Intel project management engineer Jakob Engblom. This workshop demonstrates how to use Wind River Simics as a teaching tool for higher education. Simics is a full system simulation technology that provides developers, architects, and engineers a way to build and use virtual systems. This makes it a valuable teaching tool, and Fernando and Jakob set out to show how it can be used in academia. Their workshop was based on a complete system stack simulated in Simics. They created a simulated PCIe device that featured buttons for input and LEDs for output. This simulation was used as the basis for explaining how devices and device drivers work. Read what Fernando learned and taught in an interview between the two workshop creators and get inspired to use Simics in your own developments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more IDZ Weekly.